Bill Goudy checking in. Have I got an adventure for you today? Look at this. Will you look at this? Cookbook by Rivet Gardner. The link to this recipe is down below. What is so nice about this cookbook, every recipe in here is already on YouTube. And you can go to YouTube and see if you want it, or if you like it. It's just a great idea. You can see how it's done, how it was originally done. Now, I want to keep in low carbs. So this, I love chicken livers, but I like gizzards too. And everything in here is low carb except for the enriched flour. So I'm going to make my own blend of flour. I'm going to use coconut flour, almond flour, and a little Parmesan cheese. 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. I don't like Obey, and it calls for Obey. So I'm going to leave the Obey out. Everything else stays the same. So you follow this. If you're not low carb, you can have the flour. Go right at it. Man, I'm going to stay low carb. Just check this out, will you? Check it out. Rained all night. We're just getting dried out, getting rid of all that slop, and I'll be darned if it didn't. I'm telling you, gully washers. Golly washers. Have a little asparagus and mashed cauliflower, but in the mashed cauliflower I had a leftover broccoli, a head of broccoli. What do you want? Come on up here. Everybody wants to see you. Come on. Can you see her? Can you see her? Maybe not. Here, let's see if you can. There you go. Huh? She thinks I'm talking to her, I think. Yes, you're just so spoiled. You're just so spoiled. Such a muddy mess out there. I hate to get you all dirty. You have kisses for me, don't you? Alright. I'm going to have me let's see here. That's a Roadrunner. And just plain iced tea. That's so good. Anyway, I got my livers all drained. I got my gizzards with my liver. And I made the flour concoction already mixed up into a Ziploc bag. And all I got to do is dump those in and put them on the thing. Let's get to cooking, shall we? Let's just get to cooking. You'll see. If you want to see the recipe, I'll put a link to Rivet's original video on the... That's what's the beauty of this cookbook. If you can actually see the recipes being prepared. And this is just awesome. It really is. It's just a great idea. Anyway, I'll put a link down below. You check it out. Get this cookbook. It's awesome. I was petting the dog, so you know what I got to do now. Yeah, all the places where my hands have been. It's important for me to, particularly with all this flu that's going around, for me to keep my health standards up. put these in the oven for 1 hour or until they look like they're done. 400 degrees. I can't wait. I'm so hungry. Oh, if you could only smell that. Look at the goodness. You heard me say it. Oh, I think Lucy Lou's getting excited. What do you think there, Lucy? Huh? You like chicken, don't you? Yeah, chicken approved. You want to try some? Asparagus. And that is my favorite garlic. That's a whole head of garlic in there with the asparagus. And that's Debbie Holland's steamer. Yeah. Nice. Well, look what I found. Yeah, it was my adventure bag. Look at that. Doesn't that plate look lovely? Oh, melted butter. I've melted the butter on the garlic and the asparagus. Let's try a little gizzard right there, I think. Oh, wow. That is awesome. Everything looks so good. Let me just try this, yeah? Look at that. Butter soaked clove of garlic. Steamed properly. Hey, you know what? I'm just gonna pick that. I'm just gonna pick these up. I love them. They're crunchy. Just like a lot of times I fry them. This is better done in the oven. You want to try this? You guys all know. I'm a big Texas Pete fan. But look, Camp Made. Camp Made makes a hot sauce, garlic habanero, and this is Camp Made green sauce, hot sauce, and this is jalapeno. I want to try some of this on the livers, but before I do, I want to try some of that. This is my mixture. It's got a little bit of broccoli in there with cauliflower, cream cheese, mushroom, garlic, butter, little sea salt. That is good. I'm hungry. Alright, first up, let's try this. Hotter than habanero hot sauce. I'm just gonna pick that up and maybe I'll just break that off. There we go. Pick that up and I'll pour some hot sauce on there. I tried it without the hot sauce, now we'll try it with it. See how much flavor addition it makes. A generous pour. Wow. Mm-hmm. There's no carbs. You can taste the vinegar. It's hot. It has a... Mm-hmm. 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 I'm smacking my lips. Oh, that is good. That is good. It's hot. Instantaneous hot. Now let's try this green jalapeno Camp Made. I'll put a link down to Camp Made down below. Follow it, and if you enter Goudy 20, you'll get a 20% discount. Camp Made makes all kinds of accessories, and now they're into the spices too. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Mmm. It's a gizzard. Mmm. Mmm. That's much milder. Uh-oh. That's much milder. It's good. Yeah, you don't taste near as garlicky. I mean the vinegar. You don't. You taste more of the pepper in this. This has a stronger vinegar carrier. It's good. I like it. I like them both. It's very good. Let's see if it's Lucy Lou approved. So I fixed the plate for Lucy. We'll check it. We'll check it and see if she's... We'll just check it and see if she's going to approve that or not. She's a chicken eater. Yeah, I got a muddy floor. Not a lot I can do. She's sniffing it. Looks like it's Lucy Lou approved. Let's try some of this asparagus. She's down there gobbling it up now. It was a little warm, I think, in the beginning. Man, that's good. I think I'm going to put some more of the green sauce. I like that green sauce. I like them both, but green sauce seems to go good with those chicken gizzards and livers. One of my favorites. Listen, I'm going to continue eating. I appreciate you watching. I surely do. Bill Goudy out. Yep. Lucy Lou approved. She cleaned it right up. Those gizzards are tougher, and they don't chew as nice as those livers. Oh, they sure are good though.